Alright guys, I got that down, trying to see which wood is bad that I can take out and what I can salvage. So, there's 2 pieces going so far. And I've gotten that main part. This one looks like it needs to come out too. I think it does. That one looks like it needs to come out as well. So, I need to get some reframing done so I can do this part and the part by the gate and get it all redone. So, let's see what we can do without anything collapsing. Nope, not professional. Just doing stuff. Just doing stuff, y'all. But when you're stressing and you can't find nobody and it's just blowing your mind because nobody is available and nobody's coming through, why stress when you can do it yourself? Just do it yourself. Go to YouTube University. This is what I do when but this I didn't go to no university, y'all. It's just doing it. It's just doing it. So yeah, I might have to go and get some more 2x4s. Go get some more 2x4s to get this completed. Yeah, because I need some for this area, some 2x4s for this area, and some to reinforce this to make this sturdier. So yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get some wood. It may go just like this, y'all. I'm gonna comb my hair, but I may just go like this and go get some wood, and then I'll call y'all back.
Hello. Hold on. Hello, guys.
girl have been working in all over the place. I got my little safety glasses still on my head. I didn't realize from the second job that we would have a little check, so I'm headed to pick that up. I went got the wood. I hope I got some footage of that. Whatever y'all see is because I tried to let Russ and Simi record for me. So we're gonna see what we got. I haven't looked at it, but y'all will see it before this. I'll say it before this because I put the I've got one of the old pieces of wood out and I put the new piece in, and I had to stop to come and pick this up. So I don't know. I'm gonna see if I'll be able to get some more done because my son is there. He gotta work. They messing up my vibe, y'all. They messing up my vibe. If not, I'll be over the weekend doing this. So we'll see how that goes. But I hope y'all have had an amazing day thus far. I've enjoyed myself so much. I didn't even realize today was Thursday. Didn't realize today was Thursday. So I hope y'all have had an amazing day and all that on purpose, of course. Yes, I look a little whatever, but I was supposed to wrap my hair back up while I go work, but I didn't even worry about it. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick this up and then see if I could go back. No, I'm lying. I'm gonna stop to Walmart because I need a new staple gun because the ones that I have, they're not working for whatever reason, and because I want to put screen up before I actually put wood up. So therefore, while you're sitting, it won't be mosquitoes or anything flying at your back. At least that part will be covered. So yeah, y'all, that's what I'm trying to get done. I got that project. I have my uncle gave me an idea of how to revamp the back deck part that I added on with cement. He gave me a way that I could revamp that. So yeah, that's gonna be good. Can I not turn here? I think I'm gonna be good. Yeah, that's gonna be good. So got a couple of projects for y'all. I'm trying to watch the traffic, y'all. Y'all know what I noticed since I've been recording. I say I think I'm a little cockeyed, and I think it's this eye, one of them. Boy, you see some stuff when you're recording yourself, huh? I said that eye look like it's a little too lost by itself. Well, yeah, I just be playing with myself all kind of ways, y'all. All kind of ways. I think they said the high school, so I'm gonna go that way to the high school. I don't know where they say meet them at, but I'm gonna go over here to the high school and see if this is what they said. This is the high school, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see where we're supposed to be. I don't know. But I'll call y'all back in Walmart. So I only came in for that, to see stuff on clearance for the daggone grandkids. But that's all I came in was for that. That's it. So I have to make sure everybody got something. Lord have mercy. Yeah, y'all.